Once upon a time, there was a canyon, and all the animals lived in peace.
But one day there was a big fire, and all the animals had to leave their home.
And then some evil villains took over the homeland and made everything evil.
All the animals moved to a tent in a very faraway land to be safe, but they missed their homeland and wanted to come back.
So the animals decided to have a battle with the evil villain to get the homeland back.
The evil villains hit them back really hard in battle, and some even to space, but the animals had a secret weapon. The forest keeper was on their side and came for the rescue.
The forest keeper used mind control. They controlled the villain's mind and make them leave the land.
The animals were happy they got their home back, so they had a big party to celebrate.